Hi YouTube, this is just a quick video for all you turtle people out there who have purchased an FX6 canister by Fluval. A lot of people have been having issues with air intake and a weird sort of sloshing sound a couple of hours after the pump comes on. Looking back at the intake where the ribbed hose meets the rest of it, we've just put a couple of cable ties around to tighten up that connection and to stop any air from coming through. Now, it's been going for a solid 6 hours now and I haven't had any issues with air sounds or cavitation. And there's Mr. Clem looking happy as ever. Another thing I've done for my tank is to replace the standard glass docks with Perspex. So that's a pretty cheap fix for a really good filter. Let me know what you think in the comments.